for you guys. So I'll have to break into it again. There we go. Just had a transmission cooler failure. I had to bypass it. I'll show you guys. We leaked out about 3 quarts of fluid before I clean it. I just bypassed the cooler. It's set here. Lights are tested and pictures.
Alright y'all, so yesterday Larry Hoover was commuted on a federal level by President Donald Trump. Now, for people who don't understand what that means that basically, and we talked about this in Front Page News this morning, his charges on the federal level will be like excused, they're overlooked, but anything else you're still dealing with, you still have to deal with. And Larry Hoover is very much so still dealing with a 200-year sentence for murder on the state level.
State level, right?
Yeah, state level.
So he's not free?
No, he's not.
And people would say welcome home and all that. He is not free.
No, he is not coming home. He is not walking out. Ain't no welcome home Larry Hoover
I
parties.
didn't even know what it meant. That's why I text you on the group line. What is commutation? Or what is commute?
Yeah.
Moving from one person to the other. I didn't know.
Right.
Yeah, Chance the Rapper was one of the people who actually posted online. Now let's take a listen.
Hey, before I let y'all politicize this or memify this, I just gotta say I am glad that Larry Hoover's home. And I gotta remind y'all that he was a political person that was set up by the federal government, that he created the what was it, Chicago votes. He did so many things to really mobilize our people, and he was really targeted for that. And so before it's going and doing whatever they're gonna do with this information, I just wanna say I'm so glad that he's home, and God bless his family, and yeah, thank God.
Chance are my bill because he definitely spreading such misinformation, and Chance is way smarter.
Yes.
You know, if you just read a little bit more,